Lunker Lake. Coming up to the main road. I got my new sprocket on my crank. I switched it from a 48 to a 34, and man, what a difference on climbing these hills, ups and downs. It's just epic. It's like right now, I'm barely pedaling, and I'm just going right up the hill. Yeah. About 80 degrees right now this morning. Oak Mountain State Park. Riding. It's just a beautiful morning. No one's been on the trail, just me. Look at this, I'm barely pedaling. It's just so nice. Like, just right up the hill. Do I have it all the way in? Yeah, in first gear. But I'm barely pedaling. It's like, it's so nice. But it's so gorgeous out this morning. Fresh, a little muddy, has a few muddy spots here and there. But for the most part, gorgeous morning. Birds are out, everything. Trails are in pretty good shape. Maybe about 4 or 5 muddy spots I've ran into. You gotta watch on the corners because it might spit you out for sure. Now I'm just coasting up here. Let go. Still not pedaling. Coasting. I think I'll pedal the rest of the way so I get all the way in. Coming out to the outlet of the trail. Out by DOT on the highway, on the road. Morning. Thank you.